golly, these dang carrots, dang asparagus. I'm gonna tell you what, I'm gonna show you how I make two pretty awesome side dishes. Got some Parmesan lemon asparagus, honey glazed carrots. It's gonna be some good groceries. I'm gonna show you how I do it. That's some good groceries. All right, on a pre-warmed griddle, we're gonna take just a little bit of avocado oil, or use any kind of neutral oil of your choosing. We're gonna put our carrots down right into the middle, and we don't have chicken stock. If you had chicken stock, just put it on the carrots. I'm using a little bit of powdered chicken and some water. Take your dome and cover those carrots up, and we're gonna steam those. After your steam's evaporated, we're gonna remove our cover and toss those carrots to see what they're looking like. And you might have to do this several times throughout the cook to get those carrots nice and tender. Little pro tip too, if you wanted to pre-steam these in the microwave, you could do that as well and then finish them off on the griddle. I just decided to leave them on the griddle. And I'm gonna take the top off. I'm gonna try one of these. I wanna make sure it's kind of fork tender, but still a little bit of give. And yep, this biggest one right here is the one we're looking at. It cut really easily, but yet it's still got a little bit of give. So we're just gonna put these up to the front of the griddle because we gotta do the other side, that asparagus. I love some asparagus, especially with that Easter ham or that holiday ham. It just really, really hits. So to get our asparagus prepped, not a lot to it. The bottoms of the asparagus is very hardy, so you wanna take those off. And what I do is I snap one just to give a good guidance of where I should cut all of them instead of snapping each one. And I'm just gonna cut all those in this package. Now we're gonna go over to the griddle, put it right into the middle, right where those carrots were. A little bit of oil, toss those around. Then we're gonna do the exact same thing. A little bit of water, put our cover on, and we're gonna check these in about 2 minutes. This steam should cook this asparagus really, really fast. All right, after about 2 minutes, we're gonna take the cover off the asparagus and give it a try. And honestly, for me, this asparagus is good for me. This is small asparagus too, so it don't take that long. Some are thicker, so you have to cook those a little bit longer. All right, now it's time to finish off both side dishes. Our asparagus, gonna give it a little bit of butter, about 1.5 tablespoons. Same thing for the carrots. To the carrots, we're gonna add some thyme. That's gonna give a nice earthiness, just nice and floral. And we're gonna come in with some essentials blend. That's gonna season that up nicely. We're gonna season up the carrots as well. Once all the butter, all the kind of goodness has melted on those carrots, now we're gonna come in with our honey, and we're gonna come in with a little bit of lemon juice. This is gonna brighten everything up. To our asparagus, I'll come in with some Parmesan cheese. We're gonna hit this with a little bit of lemon too, just a little bit. Lemon, asparagus, butter, parm, just goes hand in hand, folks. Right at the end, I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of garlic. Just gonna finish with a little bit of salt on both. We're gonna give the asparagus one more toss just to get it nice and coated with some of that garlic. Now, my friends, it is time to plate. And then with those carrots, would you look at that? That is a plate full of goodness right there, my friends. Time for our asparagus. Put it on our little serving platter. Oh yes, friends. Now that is some good groceries. It is that time of the job. It's one of my favorites. Let's give these groceries a try. I'm gonna try these carrots first. I love carrots. I love these tricolor carrots. Makes it really nice, pretty, just, vibrant. Cheers. I gotta go in for another one of those. They're sweet. Carrots themselves has a little bit of sweetness, but the honey helped it along a little bit. But then that lemon, it really brings it through. Then that thyme is right on time. It's some good groceries. That's very good. I'm gonna tell you what, I'm trying on. These carrots are gonna be on my table next. Let's try this asparagus. Asparagus is probably, it's up there on my top, I would say on my top 3 vegetables, okay? I like it when it's still got just a little bit of crunch to it. Some might say that's al dente. Buttery with the parm, kind of formed like a sauce. Then my fork drops, but hey, we're gonna keep on cooking. It forms like a little sauce. And then that garlic, it's so good. I can't stop eating it. Y'all, I guarantee you, if you fix these 2 side dishes, people will absolutely love these things. Hey, I want you to head on over to the Blackstone Network where all my other friends are posting really good groceries as well. You got Blackstone Betty, you got CJ, you got Todd, you got Jeremy, and Katrina over in California. Boy, she fixed some good stuff. I'm Matt Hussey. That's some good groceries.